Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Infiniti G37 key battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Having a clean, well-lit area will make the process much smoother. This simple task is quick and easy, ensuring your key fob is fully functional again in just a few moments. Let's get started. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the emergency key slides out. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist or pry, the two halves of the key fob should separate. Be careful not to use too much force to avoid damaging the casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently remove the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. This ensures proper contact. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely snapped shut. Once reassembled, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking the doors, to ensure everything is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.